Most students use mark scheme to check their answers. The top 1% use them to predict the future. If you're sitting your IGCSE in 2026, stop studying the textbook and start shadowing the examiner. Here's the exact mark scheme shadowing framework. I used to predict 70% of my exam questions before even I sat down. Examiner don't read your essays. They scan for triggers. Mark scheme shadowing is the process of identifying the minimum variable answer. Look at the biology mark scheme. You can write a paragraph about osmosis, but if you miss the phrase partially permeable membrane, you get 0. Shadowing means you stop memorizing sentences and memorizing data. 2026 isn't going to be a random set of questions. IGCSE examiners work in cycles. Look at the last 3 years. If electrolysis hasn't been a 6 marker since 2022, it is statistically due for 2026. Check variant 1 from last year. Frequently, those concepts migrate to variant 2 the following year. This is how we shadow the examiner's logic. The Masterclass level. Take a mark scheme from 2023. Hide the question and try to write the question. That would elicit those specific bullet points. If you can predict the question from the answer, you have officially cracked the code. You aren't just a student anymore, you are the one grading the paper. In 2026, the thresholds are expected to remain pre-pandemic tough. You cannot afford to be broadly correct. You have to be technically precise. I've built a shadowing template for the major subjects: biology, chemistry, physics, and economics. If you want me to drop the breakdown for your specific subject, comment your subject code below. The textbooks tells you what to learn. The mark scheme tells you how to win. Pick your side. See you in the next one. Thank you.